everybody, it's Miss Pat again. Today we're going to make hand sanitizer. Found a recipe and it is 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. This says 1/4. Then we need 1/2 cup of alcohol, and this is a liquid measuring cup, and it has 1/2 cup on here. Then we need olive oil. We need 1/2 teaspoon of hot olive oil, and here I have 1/2 teaspoon. Then we need essential oils to give it a little bit of a good smell, so we picked out lavender. And then I have an empty pump bottle that we'll put it in. So let's get started. Here's my aloe gel. I'm going to squeeze that out. And I hope I have enough aloe gel. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to put this in my big bowl. And that was 1/4 cup of aloe gel. Next, I'm going to get 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. And Miss Tina gave me a tip the other day. She said to add a little bit more of the alcohol when to see if it's more liquidy. So we'll do that afterwards. But here's 1/2 cup of alcohol, and we're going to pour it into our mixture. We're going to get 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. So here's the olive oil. Whoops, there we go. And I'm going to try to scrape out some more of this aloe vera gel with the spoon, so that we make sure we get enough of that. Our last ingredient is the lavender essential oil, and it said to do 10 to 20 drops. So let's count. We're going to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I hope you are counting along with me. Next, we're going to take the whisk and we're going to gently mix this together. And I think that's pretty good. It smells like hand sanitizer with some lavender. I'm going to open my bottle. And I'm going to gently pour this in to my bottle. Almost there. Okay, here we have some hand sanitizer. And if you all remember from when we did Anne of Green Gables, what did Marilla do? She put her cleaner into a bottle of vanilla extract and never wrote down what was in it. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write hand sanitizer. That way, everybody knows that this is hand sanitizer and not hand soap. All right. See you next time. Hand sanitizer. Oops. There we go. I'm all clean. Smells clean too. Bye. Hi everybody. It's Miss Pat again.